Here's interesting apps called GLEAM, Social Intelligence, Communication, Dating, Career, the gym for social skills. This app is going quite high in the charts recently, as you can see. So improve your social fluency and emotional intelligence with GLEAM. GLEAM is a fun science-backed coach for mastering communication skills and social skills, whether it's talking to girls on dates, getting better at conversation, or preparing for an interview or networking. GLEAM delivers bite-sized interactive lessons to help you become more confident and charismatic. You can learn to flirt better, ace a job interview, improve your public speaking, communication, social skills, emotional intelligence, networking, interview skills, public speaking, small talk, negotiation, conflict resolution. So learn by doing with scenario-based lessons, quizzes, personalized eye feedback. So let's open it up. There is a trial which you can try, and there is a free trial. 1 week free trial, then $70 per year. So that's basically the idea in here. I don't know whether seems it's only like the paid app, and you can see 7-day free trial, then $70 per year. Yeah, unfortunately. So that's what it is. Seems only kind of this paid version is available. Or maybe you can still have some glimpse. All right, so seems you still can get some glimpse, so you can see some lessons. You can see some and this is kind of the collection of lessons like that. Quests, then your account, your level, you can join Discord, dark mode, delete account, feature requests. The app is quite glitchy, as you can see. You can get some gold, you can get some quests. Fire is in here, you can see your level. And there are no referral codes, there are no invite codes. This is only seems what's energy. You need to complete these tasks, and then you can just explore in here. So that's kind of the idea. I don't know how legit is this app, honestly, but that's what it is.